This set $3.75. What, Jasper? Hmm?
So I can't do what you want.
Okay, you're going to bake also. Yeah, I like your tail.
Okay.
Okay, we start now.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the first ingredients, my loves?
Okay, we gotta mix in a stick of butter
Okay.
and a 3/4 cup of peanut butter.
How many cup?
3/4 of a cup.
What is 3/4?
3/4 of a cup
So meaning
of peanut
three.
butter. 3/4 of a cup.
3/4.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that is 1 cup.
No.
We're not fighting. Don't worry. We never fight, right, loves?
Yes, baby.
Why you put peanut? You know that it's not good for my face.
Because it's what the recipe calls for. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter cookies?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, you already put butter?
Yeah.
Yes.
1 stick of butter. That's what I said, babe. 1 stick of butter.
Okay, next.
Now that it's good and
Ooh.
well mixed.
Next ingredients. How many?
Just 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup of white sugar.
1/3 cup of brown sugar.
1:1 ratio. Same. Brown sugar and white sugar. What is the difference of white sugar and brown sugar, love?
Brown sugar's got molasses in it.
And the white sugar.
No. Ready?
Okay, mix it. The sugar. Two tablespoons of milk.
Yep.
Okay. And
1 egg.
1 egg. What is that?
Teaspoon of vanilla extract.
3 spoons.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Yep.
Okay. Mix it together again.
Yep. What? We're not doing anything, dude. What? We're not making anything for you. What? See?
You want to bake also? What? You want to bake? Huh? Oh, come to me. Come on. What do you want? You want to go outside? Yeah, you want to go outside? Okay. All-purpose flour. 1 cup and 3/4 loaves.
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups
Yeah.
of flour. How many teaspoon?
Just 1
1 teaspoon or tablespoon?
teaspoon.
Okay, of baking soda. Next is salt. How many?
1/2.
1/2 teaspoon.
Yep.
Okay. Of salt. Okay. You mix it together.
Yeah.
The baking powder, salt, baking soda. That's it.
Yeah. I know. Yeah. The flour, baking soda, and salt.
Okay. Before you put in the other bowl.
Yeah.
That's how can I help you? How may I help you?
You're just gonna sit there and video, babe, I guess.
Video. That's your wife is so talented taking video. This is my talent, love.
Yeah.
Not cooking, not baking, only taking videos. I think I know now how to do that, Babs.
What's that, babe?
I know now how to do that.
How to do what?
Baking.
Oh, yeah, you'll learn. It's not all over. It's actually kind of fun sometimes.
The reason why I'm taking video on that is for my what do you call this? Código in Filipino. My copy, so that someday if I want to bake that, I'm going to search it. Right?
Oh, good asshole. Yeah.
It's like, yan. No, you're scared, You don't want me to take video, na? Jasper, we are fighting. Bite your daddy. Bite your daddy. Come on, Jasper. Bite your daddy. Bite your daddy. Get him. Get him. Come on.
Get your mama.
Come on. Get your daddy. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Get it. Get him. Get him. Jasper. So this is 1/3 cup of sugar. Which?
Yeah.
What is that for, Babs?
I'm going to take these out.
Ready rolled.
Yeah.
Okay. And the sugar.
I don't like a lot.
Putting in the sugar.
Right.
And then roll it again.
Yeah, because we wanted a bowl.
And make it sure your hands is clean.
I already washed my hands before we started.
Okay.
There you go. There's one.
Okay. Dun, dun.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, can I put it in?
Yes,
Okay.
boss.
Just making sure it's okay.
Okay.
9:22.
9:22. How many minutes?
8 to 10.
8 to 10 minutes only. Okay, after 10 minutes, we put the kisses. Oh. You need help, loves?
No.
Wow. Aww. Don't press too much, loves. It's gonna be ruined the circle.
It's supposed to be.
And then we will put it back
No.
to the oven.
No.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Wow, it's so yummy. So we will put again the other batch. Second batch. Second batch.
Second dozen.
Mm-hmm. For 10 minutes again. That's it. And this one is ready to eat, loves.
Huh?
Ready to eat.
Oh yeah.
Not yet.
We'll move
For
them.
how many?
We'll just leave them to cool down.
Cool down. For how many minutes?
Just until they're cool.
And then we will eat it now.
I don't want them too brown. See? Should be
Let me
light
see.
brown.
Oh, perfect.
Okay?
Almost done! Yan, ang paborito ni Santa Claus. This is my Santa Claus.
You're bad. You lied.